only thing we're trying to catch around here. No feelings. So for this fire red eye, smoky eye, I'm going to be using these Makeupgeek shadows, or well, the red shadow, and kind of like blow it out really nicely. I think that's what I'm going to be doing because I really, really love that look. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. And I want to add a little bit of glitter to the inner corner. I'm not sure yet, but I think that's what we're going to do. And let's get started. Let's try this out. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. I'm going to use the P. Louise base. This is from P. Louise. She's on Instagram and really like amazing. They have a makeup academy. I think they're based in England. I'm pretty sure they are in the UK. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand like this. And I'm going... guys, I lotioned my hands before I put the camera on. Are you guys proud or not? Like, I'm really proud of myself because you know how I do with the ash. Using a light primer will really help whatever color you use just pop out a lot more than using your regular concealer, which I do sometimes, but you know, it's better to use a lighter primer if you want that extra pigment, the if you want color payoff. If you're using a color that's not like a dark brown or black or whatever, you just really want a lighter base so that the colors pop a lot more than they normally would. It's really thin. It just works really well. You don't have to set it. You just kind of put it on and boom. So I'm going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to just blend out right here. Because I find that if I don't do that, the eyeshadow will be unevenly pigmented. So the areas where the base, so the areas where I have the base, it will be really pigmented, and then there'll be like a harsh line into the areas where I don't have any eyeshadow base. So I just kind of use this blending brush to blend the primer out, so when I apply the shadow, it kind of does the same thing. Very nice and evenly, not too much, just a little bit, and just blend that out so that everything looks good when you do it, you know. On my last video, a lot of people were commenting. So a couple comments. I took a couple of them out, but people were commenting that I wasn't dark skinned. You guys, like, first of all, based on what society's definition of dark skin is, I am considered dark skin. So I'm gonna get started with the red. It is called Untouchable, just in case you were wondering. So I'm gonna get started blending this out with the Makeupgeek Soft Dome brush. So I'm gonna take the red and I'm just gonna start applying it. Dab it on first. When you press the color in first, it prevents excess fallout. You will still get fallout, but it won't be as much, basically, you know, which is a good thing. For me, at least. Alright, so I'm just going to press that in like that. Hello. Alright, this is so pigmented. So now I'm just blending that out, the first layer, and then I'm going to add some more. The key to this look is really just blending really well, you know, so then I'm going to blend that out again. So blending out the red into my crease and like just a little bit above my crease, almost to my brow bone. I want it to fade really nicely into almost a pink color, very light red. I decided to start blending out my primer like that, but if I didn't blend it out, you would see really harsh lines, and that's not cute. It's just not cute. Okay, so we're pretty blended, and there's not too much fallout, actually. It's really not. Is there any fallout, actually? I don't really see. Just kind of drag that out a little bit. Like that. So now I'm going to focus on the eyelid. I'm just going to apply the color to my eyelid. I'm going to use the Makeupgeek foiled eyeshadow brush. These are not foil shadows, but it's a flat brush and it works perfectly for my lid area, I guess. So I'm just going to take some shadow to the brush and press that in. This color is just amazing, how bright it is and pigmented. Oh my goodness. You guys, it's really good. That was my doorbell. I'm gonna go get the door. It's probably UPS with my Makeupshayla collection. That totally was not UPS, and I'm low-key mad because I just, you know, wasted my time. Alright, so let me just add, so I'm going to add some more red. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a little bit of fallout right now. But if I had some on my full face, I would have just applied translucent powder right here and just brushed it off. So it would not be an issue. It's not so much fallout where, you know, your whole look will be ruined. This is the first brush I used, the soft dome brush. I'm just going to blend out into my crease. Add a little bit more pigment there. So that's basically it for the first half of the eye look. I'm going to film my other eye off camera just so I can save some space on my memory card if you really want to know why. And I'll be right back with the other eye done. And then I might even have my foundation done. So I did both eyes. I applied a little bit of mascara. I'm going to apply my lashes now. These are Lily lashes in the style Hollywood, which I really love. So I finished my face makeup. I'm going to focus on the lower lash line now. I'm going to take the Sigma Short Shader E20 brush to apply some of the red under my lower lash line. I'm actually going to take some setting powder and I'm just trying to catch fallout, you know. The only thing we're trying to catch around here, no feelings. So I'm going to apply the red shade now. Connect those two together. So I'm going to take the Makeupgeek Defined Crease brush, Defined Crease brush, which is a small blending brush. I'm going to take a little bit of the red, just a tiny bit, and I'm going to blend out under my lash line further. So that's basically it. You can take this further down if you want, but I want to keep it nice and tight in there, and that's where I'm going to stop. So I really want to add some glitter to my inner corner, but I don't know if I should. I kind of want to leave it bare, but then again, I want to add glitter. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm in a crisis. I'm going to add a little bit of glitter, just the tiniest bit of glitter ever, because I do want to add some sparkle, but I don't want to do, like, I don't want to go overboard, you know? I like to use very small, fine wand mascaras for my lower lash line, but I actually don't have anything like that near me. So I'm going to use this big old one from Buxom, the Big T's mascara. Just going to apply that to my lower lash line. Be very careful because this is a huge wand. If you have a huge wand on your lash line, be careful. Be careful with me. You don't know what you're doing. I'm actually scared, you guys, because this is, if you make one false move, oh. So I'm going to use glitter glue and apply a little bit in the inner corner of my eye, my inner tear duct. I'm going to take this tiny Makeupgeek pencil brush, apply a little bit in here. Just like a little bit there. Then I'm going to take this matte glitter. This is in pink hologram. This is part of their new glitter collection. The colors are they're so stunning, you guys. They're so stunning. I was not even really interested until I saw them in person, and I was like, what? You know. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply some of these here. Alright, so obviously you don't have to be that extra. Like, you know, you don't need to put glitter in your inner corner. You could just use a highlight. But I wanted to be a little bit extra for this look. I really like the way it turned out. So now I'm going to just highlight my face. I'm going to use my favorite highlighter. Royal Hotness from Dose of Colors is just literally my favorite. It's just so perfect for my skin tone. It just looks amazing, you guys. Alright, and then I'm going to take some on my nose. Do some on my chin. So for my lips, I'm going to first take MAC's Cork lip liner, which is one of my favorite lip liners. Alright, next I'm going to take MAC's Kinda Sexy lipstick, one of my favorite lipsticks. I am keeping the lips nude. You could definitely, you know, put some color there and like use a pink or a red even, but I wanted to keep it more nude. And then I'm going to use Dose of Color Honey I'm Home, which is my favorite nude gloss ever. It's so amazing, you guys. It's a perfect peachy nude. Is it even peachy? It's kind of just like beige, but it has some peach in it, I think. So that is it for the entire look. I'm going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Set in Mist from Morphe. Alright guys, so that is it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this red blown out smoky with some glitter in the inner corner tear duct eye tutorial. I really love the way it turned out. I definitely would wear this daytime and nighttime to the party, to the parent teacher conference, girl, to work. Hello. I'm just kidding. But I think it's super pretty, perfect for summertime, and you know, just really nice and bold. And you can go really neutral on the lips, or you can just put some color there if you want to. But yeah, I love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll also leave the link to Makeupgeek Cosmetics in the description box below. It is a affiliate code. If you want to use it and support me, you can. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to use it, you know, but you know, just if you want to use it, you can use it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.